Hi, today we are going to see basics of Carnap map in lecture 8, and this is Dr. Benila. So we are going to see how to simplify the Boolean expression using the Carnap map. So Carnap map is a diagram made up of squares. Each square represents one minterm of the function that is to be minimized. And this method was first proposed by Weitek, and it is modified by Carnap. And we are saying it is a Carnap map or K-map, and it is the simplest and straightforward procedure for minimizing the Boolean function. So to minimize the Boolean function, we will be using grouping. So there are three different grouping. One is your pair, square and octet. Pair is will group adjacent two squares. Quad is will group adjacent 4 squares, and octet is will group adjacent 8 squares. So first we will see two variable Carnap map. In two variable Carnap map, we have 4 squares. So 2 power 2, so 4 squares here. So I'll take two variable A and B, and then how to name this one is A bar, A, B bar, B. So here the value should be changed by only one variable. So since it has only one variable, so A bar becomes A, B bar becomes B. So how to number the cell, we'll see A bar, B bar. So this cell belongs to A bar, B bar. So A bar, B bar is going to be 0. And here this is going to be A bar, B. So 0, 1 is 1. Decimal value is 1. 1, 0. So 1, 0 decimal value is 2. And this is A, B. So decimal value 1, 1. Decimal value is going to be 3. So this is how we are numbering the cell values here. Right. So let's see how to map the expression A bar B plus AB bar plus AB using Carnap map, and how to reduce this. So while the expression is given, you have to convert it into a minterm, right? So you have to make sure that it should be, if you want to have your minterm, it should be in canonical form. It's a two variable, and all the three terms has all the two variables in either original or in complement. So this is nothing but 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 is 2, 1, 1 is 3. So totally it has 3 minterms. So 1, 2, 3. So mark the minterm. Minterm should be marked as 1. So 1, 2, 3. Now we have to go for grouping. So we know that we have 3 different grouping: octet, pair, and then octet, quad, and pair. So octet is not possible because it has only 4. Quad is also not possible because it has only 3 minterms. So I can go for pair. So how to get this pair? I will be going for this pair. So adjacent 2 values should be there. So here how to write the value? What are all the variables included here for this pairing? You have to take it out. So I'll take it in the rough column here. So this is A bar, A, and then B. So A bar, A, and B. Now I can cancel this A bar, A, so the left out value is going to be B. So your F is equal to B. Next I can go for another one pair, because all the minterms has to be grouped. So here this can be grouped as a single, or I can go for pair. So I'll be taking the help of this one, and then I'll take it as a pair. So here what are all the values included here? So A, B bar, B. So this B bar and B get cancelled with each other. So plus this is going to be A. So this is the reduced function of this expression given, right? So we'll see 3 variable Carnap map also. So 3 variable Carnap map, there are 8 squares because it's going to be 2 cube. So I'll take this as A this side and BC this side, because here I have only 2. So I'll take it as A, because a different combination is going to be 2. Right? BC, different combination is 2 power 2. Here it is 2 power 1, so 2 combination, 2 power 2, 4 combination. So I'll take this one. How to take this one? A bar, A, next B bar, C bar, B bar, C, BC, BC bar. So for each and every changes, only one variable is allowed to change. That is the rule. So B bar, C bar becomes B bar, C. The C bar becomes C. And from here, B bar becomes B. And here C becomes C bar. So one change is allowed here to get it as a stable function, right? So how to number this one? A bar, B bar, C bar, 0, 0, 0. So the decimal value is 0. Right? So here 0, 0, 1. Decimal value is 1. 0, 1, 1, decimal value is 3. And 0, 1, 0, decimal value is 2. And here it is 1, 0, 0, decimal value is 4, 1, 0, 1, decimal value is 5, 1, 1, 1, decimal value is 7, 1, 1, 0, decimal value is 6. So the value is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. So it can represent in a different form also this way. So here I can take your A that side, BC this side. So A bar A, B bar C bar, B bar C, BC, BC bar. Now the value changes accordingly. So 0, 0, 0 is going to be 0. 0, 0, 1 it's going to be 1, 0, 1, 1 it's going to be 3, so it's going to be 2, 4, 5, 7 and 6. So this is how it will be represented. Now we'll solve a problem. Simplify f is equal to summation 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here they have given the minterms directly. The summation tells you that this is going to be the minterm. If it is going to be pi, it's going to be max term. So if it is max term, I have to represent it by 0. So since it's a minterm, I have to represent it by 1. So the value is going to be 0, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is how I have to represent the values here. Now I'll go for grouping. So for grouping, I have to check whether octet is possible. So here 8 values is not possible because you have only 6 minterms. So I can go for quad. I will check whether quad is possible. Here quad is possible. How come now? I told that this K-map can be folded. So I can either horizontally I can fold. If I fold horizontally, these two sides will be the adjacent of these two. If I fold this vertically, so what happens? This is going to be, if I am going to fold it horizontally, these 4 is going to be the adjacent of these one, right? So here I can go for quad. So this is going to be the quad. So if I just going to roll it vertically, these two are adjacent. So how to find the value of this one? What are all the variables involved here? So this is going to be A bar, A. Here it is going to be B bar, C bar, then B, C bar, right? So I can cancel A bar, then B bar, B. So what is left? It's going to be C bar. So I can have your F value as C. Then what else is possible? Here I can go for pair. So here it is going to be A bar, BC, B, C bar. So here the C bar, C get cancels with each other. So the left out value is going to be plus A bar B. And then again I have one more. So I can go for this. So if this is going to be the thing, so it's going to be A, B bar, C bar, B bar, C. So the C bar, C get cancelled with each other. I can have it as A, B bar. So your F value is going to be C plus A bar B plus A, B bar. So problems for practice. So simplify the following problems here. So here in this one, they have given your F, you have to find your minterms and then you have to solve. Simplify using your 3 variable coordinate map. So since it has 3 different variables, you have to use 3 variable coordinate map. So this is, they have given the minterms straight away. You can go for 3 variable coordinate map because the maximum is going to be 7. So 2 power 3, it's going to be 8, 8 minus 1, 7. So it's going to be 3 variable. And here it's going to be 3 variable. So in this one, what you have to do is, if your variable given as capital ABC or XYZ or small ABC, you have to use that particular variable. So here for this one, instead of the small ABC, you cannot use your capital ABC. The entire problem will get wrong. So this point you have to use whatever variable they have mentioned in the problem, you have to use that same variable. If they didn't mention any problem, you have the liberty to use your own variable here. Okay? So this is what your coordinate map is, 2 variable and 3 variable. So if you have any doubt, please post your doubts in the comment section. So I'll answer your queries here. Thank you guys. Subscribe my channel for automatic updates. Have a nice day.